Hey everybody, let's do some solving with quadratics. Now, after we've done all of our solving and we've done all of our stuff, we're going to end up with something in factored form. And what we do is we take a look at each little factor, like 4s, or rather, just this s factor, and we set it equal to 0. And 0 will make this factor equal to 0, which makes everything equal to 0. So we'll go over to 9s minus 4. We set it equal to 0. And we'll get 9s is equal to 4. S is equal to 4 ninths. And then we'll take 4s minus 1. Set it equal to 0. Get 4s is equal to 1. Get s is equal to 1/4. So our goal when solving is factored form. Alright, let's take a look at another example. I want to solve s squared plus 4 is equal to 4s. I need to factor. And if I'm going to factor, that means I need this in standard form. So I'm going to subtract 4s from both sides and get s squared minus 4s plus 4 is equal to 0. Now I have to try and factor this. And what I'm thinking is 4 is 2 squared, right? And this is 2 times a negative 2. So I guess this is a negative 2 squared. So this whole thing should be s minus 2 squared. And I can check this. S minus 2 times s minus 2. S squared minus 2s plus 4. S squared minus 4s plus 4. It checks out. So that means that s is equal to 2. And those are my solutions. 2 and 2. Let's do the same thing over here with 28c squared minus 53c plus 24. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start hoping like crazy that I can find something to factor out of all this mess. 28 has as factors 4 and 7. 53 has, shoot. Because take a look over here. 24 would be 4, so I'm thinking, oh cool, I can pull out a 4, I can pull out a 4. 53, I'm not pulling out a 4. Well, that's unfortunate. Now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do the AC method. So I'm going to have to take 28 and multiply it by 24. Although what I really want to do is I want to find factors of 28 times 24. So I think maybe what I should do is I should take and do 28 is something like 4 times 7. 24 is 4 times 6. That's AC. I've got these factors to play with. Something like 2 squared, 2 squared. So that's 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 5th from the 6th times 3 times the 7. I'm just writing out the factors. I'm just looking at it, trying to figure it out. And so this particular problem that I wrote down is prime. Good job, Mike. So I would have no integer solution.